This is the coolest thing that animals on the other side show me when they talk about what their afterlife is like. Their afterlife is the very best version of everything they've ever experienced. So a chocolate lab is going to show me running over logs and chasing little chipmunks and chewing sticks. A cat might show me being cuddled up all the time and feeling warmth and then hunting things, and that's what their afterlife is like. The afterlife is their version of heaven according to what means the most to them when they were alive.